Genesis 1 describes order seen from a distance. Genesis 2 moves perception inside lived experience. Attention narrows from sky to soil, from sequence to sensation, from abstraction to immediacy. Breath, work, hunger, touch, and relationship enter awareness as organizing forces. The text records not a new universe being formed, but a nervous system realizing it exists within one. This does not deny the sacred weight of the text or the rupture that follows self-awareness. It asks what was happening in human consciousness when embodiment shifted from observation to inhabitation. Describing the mechanisms through which awareness fragments does not make the fragmentation trivial. It allows the loss that follows to be understood as both developmental and sacred. And so here are 9 biological mechanisms behind Genesis 2. 1. Interoceptive integration. The insular cortex integrates internal bodily signals into conscious awareness. Being formed from dust reflects awareness recognizing itself as a physical process. 2. Respiratory regulation. Breathing modulates autonomic nervous system states. The breath of life marks continuity between sensation and existence. 3. Environmental regulation. Nervous systems regulate more efficiently in stable environments. The garden represents conditions where vigilance reduces and presence becomes possible. 4. Motor agency development. Motor planning networks generate intentional action. Tending the garden reflects awareness discovering it can act upon surroundings. 5. Cognitive categorization. Language organizes perception through prefrontal cortical activity. Naming animals marks conceptual separation between self and world. 6. Social dependency. Signaling isolation activates stress responses in social mammals. It is not good to be alone names a regulatory need, not a moral judgment. 7. Relational mirroring. Identity coherence strengthens through interaction with another nervous system. The companion reflects selfhood stabilizing through shared presence. 8. Boundary diffusion bonding. Early relational awareness lacks clear self-other differentiation. Bone of my bones describes connection as shared substance. 9. Pre-shame awareness. Shame circuitry activates after self-monitoring and social evaluation develop. Naked and unashamed reflects awareness before judgment. Fractured embodiment. And so we realize embodiment precedes evaluation. Presence exists before shame circuitry activates. Relationship stabilizes identity before morality appears. Awareness enters the body before it learns to turn against itself. So we ask ourselves, where does my body still experience safety without self-monitoring? When did awareness begin to feel heavy rather than intimate? How much of my loneliness is biological rather than personal failure? What would it mean to inhabit my body without judgment? You are not exiled from a lost place. You are living a lawful developmental sequence. You are a body that learned to feel itself and then learned to think about itself. And you are the sacred intelligence that can inhabit form without losing coherence.